Hello, today I'm working on fixing this 1861 shutter. I really have two kitchen window shutters and a couple of shutters that come loose. So I applied wood glue. As you can see here, it's still drying, so I used this original wood glue. And so now I'm taking a wood scraper, and before I start painting, scraping off any loose old paint. So I repainted antique green, and I'm almost finished, and I'm going to shake this loose paint off, turn it over. Huge, real big old-fashioned shutters. As you can see, I've scraped most of the loose old paint off, and what I'm going to do now is take my soft bristle brush and just brush off the excess waste chips of paint. And I'm even going to flip this shutter over so all the extra loose paint can fall off. I'm about to paint the shutters with Glidden Premium Exterior Paint Primer. It's like an antique semi-gloss green, but it will dry dark. It looks light, and I thought it would be too light, but I've already started. But I'm going to finish these few shingles here. Okay, I'm about to work on the second shutter, and I really don't have to glue any shingles in place. They feel pretty sturdy already, but I have to do a lot of scraping of the old paint. This shutter, my kitchen shutter, is almost 5 feet long by 17.5 inches wide, and about 1.5 inches deep. So I measured it, and it's 36 inches plus 20.5 inches more, so that's almost 5 feet. And this is an antique shutter, as you can see. Okay, so let me begin. I don't have to glue any shingles in place, so I'm just going to do a lot of scraping of the old paint. So what I'm using is a 1.5 to 2 inch brush. I'm using a 1.5 to 2 inch bristle brush, primarily for painting, and just putting just a little bit of paint at a time on the brush, trying to paint and video at the same time. And I'll go back and touch up any small areas I missed. And I'm painting outside on a large black plastic bag covering a picnic table, patio table. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just painting on one side of the window shutter at a time, and then after this dries, within an hour or two. It's a beautiful day. It's already in the 70s. You don't want to be painting out here when it's too hot. There's a slight breeze. And see, you can see that it's applying on light and then it's going to dry dark. Trying to get in the nooks and crannies here. And I'm using a back and forth stroke. And I'm almost finished with this side. And it's drying pretty quickly, which is good. So I could finish this huge job early today. And see here, it's all, some of the paint has already started to dry. So I tried not to paint over the metal. So when we had someone paint the building itself, they got some white paint on the metal hook. Make sure you don't get any bugs on your. Let's see, I missed a spot here. So once it's dry, then you can always go back, touch up. Well, here is side 2. Just finished painting this one shutter, so I'll begin the next one after this dries in an hour. Okay, there's the second window shutter. I already painted the front side. This is the final side 2 of shutter number 2, and then I will be finished. After I finish painting my shutters, kitchen shutters, I used the same Murphy's Oil solution, warm water to clean my brush, and that took the paint right out. So that's good. It won't dry hard.